draw less than OGIF from the given data. I'll be explaining you how to make less than OGIF graph and more than OGIF graph with a consideration of so many things. From this question, I'll be explaining you more than OGIF also. So now let's begin. You have to do some calculation by seeing this given data. So you can see there is the range has been given, each interval of 10 in each group. You can see this is 0 to 10 means 10, 10 to 20 means also 10. So in the same way all of, and the frequency has been given. So now you can see here what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on my less than OGIF part. Okay, first. So less than OGIF. So this is very simple question actually, and this kind of question also saves lots of marks in the examination, because normally I have found so many students feel this is very easier question and also kind of interesting question in maths, which is really fun to do. So now I'm going to write all the class. Okay, first. So let me. So 0 to 10, 10 to 20. There is written data, but I'm using as class. 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. Okay, and there is frequency has been given. So frequency for 0 to 10 is 5, and for second one 8. Then third one is 15. Third one is 15, 10, 6, 5, 8, 15, 10, 6, 3. Okay, there is no 60 to 70. Sorry for that. I thought. Okay, now after this, you have to draw less than CF. Okay, so there is word called less than CF. Less than CF we'll be writing here, because while less than CF there will be two CF. One is less than CF and another will be more than CF. As we are right now going to make less than OGIF, so that's why less than CF. Okay, suppose. So so you might remember that while we calculate the median, we used to make one CF column, no? So that is the same process here we are going to do. That means this 5 will be here, and 5 plus 8 13. Okay, so 13 plus 15 is 28, right? 28 plus 10 is 38. 38 plus 6 is 42 plus 2, 44, right? And 44 plus 3 is 47. So in this way, all the less than CF has been drawn. Okay. So you can check also, just do the total sum here, just for checking the final point is correct or not. For that purpose, you can simply check by doing addition of this. So I'm also going to confirm it. So 5 plus 8 plus 15 plus 10 plus 6 plus 3 makes 47. So as my this value total is 47, means I'm correct. So your thing is done. Okay, so I'm just going to tell you, um, as I'm just now going to focus in less than OGIF. So now let's proceed to the graph. Okay, so you can see here. So before we proceed, so this is our going to be the vertical range value, and this is going to be the horizontal. So horizontal means the down one line and vertical means up one. Now let's move to the graph. So I will be showing this also and graph also. Graph is at the side, so I'm going to show you here. Okay, so my graph copy has one advantage here. So they have already given here 0, 1, 2, 3 value. So you can use this also, or you may create your own also. So because our thing is not little bit matching with this one, so I'm going to create my own by leaving one space here at the side, and this one side I'm going to leave. Okay, so I'm going to draw one big line from here to here. Okay, straight line, and my main 0 point is going to be this one. This is my 0 point. So from here frequency will be increased, and from here my that range, that class will be increased. Okay, so so first, and then I have to draw one vertical line, I mean horizontal line also. So this is my horizontal line, you can see. So why I'm using, you can do this actually in your normal plain copy also, but things may not get perfect. That's why I suggest you to use graph paper while doing this. So in exam, graph paper will be provided in SC exam also. So now see here, so my this horizontal line is going to be this class range. Okay, so my starting point is 0, then after that 10, 20, 30, like that it has been increased. So what I simply have to do is it's still 60. So leaving each one step, so this one box is going to be, actually scaling is also very important. So I will write here scaling, because that shows that which how many part you are going to take. One box is equals to 1 unit. Okay, so this is my scaling. You have to mention this also. So if you don't mention this, then 0.5 marks or something can be cut down. Okay, now 0 to 10, my first, this is my first points. Okay, till 60 it is there, that's why I just have to draw. You can leave even two space also if you feel it's going to look dirty. Okay, this is first step, second, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, till here is my 60. Okay, and you can write 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. And you can see now how to make this range. Now you can make your own choice. Okay, so shall we make the with the interval of 5, or shall we make the interval of 10? So that depends on. So normally actually we use interval of 5. So I think that will be also fine, because my here you have to first you have to see this CF value. Okay, so right now my highest CF value is 47. So till 47 comes under till 50. Okay, so I'm going to break my this step in the multiple of 5. That means this is going to be 5. So I think this kind of thing you already know. Still I'm explaining. This is 10, 15, and this is 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Okay, and then 50. So till 50 I have drawn here. So this is going to be my graph. So this is our going to be frequency. Okay, now I'm going to draw less than CF. Now it's a final point. So I'm going to uh, mark the point on for each class. And remember, so here is very important thing that many of the student, even this question is very easier, we forget. So while making less than OGIF, we have to focus on the, okay, actually you should know one thing before I explain that. This front one is known as lower limit, and this back one is known as higher limit. Okay, so lower limit, higher limit, lower limit, higher. So right now is a very contradiction thing. I am making less than OV, but while I mark the point, I have to see the higher limit. So you can note down. So this is a special note for less than. Marking point is highest limit, higher limit, let's say higher limit. Okay, and then if it is, then what will be for more than that is later on thing, I will tell you later on, because right now marking point will be, marking point is lower limit. Okay, so you can note down this, because many of we make mistakes. So less than OGIF will focus in higher limit, more than OGIF will focus in lower limit. So but right now focus on this only. So right now my first marking point is 5, right? So this 5. So I have to focus in 0 to 10. So 0 to 10 means right now 10. Where is my 10? Here. So 5 is at this point. Okay, so I'm marking here. You can circle also, it looks more beautiful. Okay, my first point is 5. Now second is 13. So that is 20. 20 over 13. That means find your 20. So this is my 20 and it's 13. So now here is 10 to 15. 15. So you can mark 10. Okay, I think this is 12.5. The middle of 10 and 15 is 12.5. So my 13 is going to be almost like here at this point. Okay, I'm doing zoom little bit. You can understand more clearly. Okay, so here is my point. Okay, 13, and after that the third point is 28, that is above of 30, 28, right? And now I have to find 30. Then to find 28, first I have to go to this 30, and 25 is here. So 25, and then 28 is also like 25, 26, 27, 28. So almost like here. Okay, and then this is my 28. So middle of 30 and 25. And now another is 38. That is above 40. 38. So 38 means so it's above of 40. I said it's above of 40 and 30. Okay, 35. First I'm going to 35, and then again 35, 36, 37, 38. It's also same like that at this point. And my next point is 38, 44, and 47. Okay, so I'm going to do quickly. So 50 to 60 combo butter, 44 and 47. So first is 44, that is above of 50. So my 40 is here, 45 is here. So 44 is a little bit below than 44. That means here. Okay, this is my 44. And now 60 has 47. So it is going to be here. Okay, little bit here. Okay. Okay, after this, you just need to join all these points and your less than ogive is ready. Use your ruler, connect the points one after another. So in this way, you can, this is known as less than ogive. Okay. Okay, now another is, I'm going to draw the more than ogive. More than ogive in the same page also we can draw, and we can, okay, let's draw in the same page. It will be more fine. You will get idea, overall idea from the same figure. So for more than ogive, now again I'm going back to the table. So now for more than ogive, so we have to make more than CF. Okay, now remember, it's also very simple. So for less than ogive, we did like this, like we do in the median. We add 5 here, 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 15, 28. And then in this way we added with each new value with the previous or new frequency, and we got new value again like this. Yes, so for more than ogive, do the same thing but from the down one. So that is only the difference. Very simple thing. Do the same thing but start from the downward. That means I'm going to do the same thing on the basis of the given frequency. So 3 I'm going to write here, and remember your starting value, last value. So 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 10 19, and 19 plus 15 is 20, 35, 35, 34. 34 plus 8 is 42, and 42 plus 5 is 47. Okay, so if your this value and these values are matching, then you must know that you have not made any mistake. Now you have to mark all these points. Okay, mark all these points on the basis of this given class, but focus on lower limit. So I'm writing here also lower limit, from lower limit. Okay, from lower limit, and this is from higher limit, we have already done. Okay, now for this 47 I have to mark in the graph paper, but from where? Above of 0 or above of 10? It is above of 0. Okay, so my 0 is here. So first value is 47, so I think this should be straight. So 47 is going to be here. So first point has been done. Then after then 10, because the second lower limit is 10, and that is 30. That the value is 42. So this time I'm going to mark 42. So my 42 will be above of 10. So 4 Okay, now above of 20 is 34. So my 34 is going to be a little bit below than 35. So it's here. And above of 20, my 30 is 19. Above of 30 is 19. So 90, I'm going to 30, and then 19 means here. Okay, and then above of 40 is 9. 40 means here, and 9 is here. And above of 50 is 3. So this is my 50. Above of 50 is 3. Okay, so the last value, and I'm going to 50 here, and this 3 comes under between this, so it will be like here. And now you have to simply join all these points, and your more than OGB is also ready. So start from here. You can see more than OGB is falling from left to right. Okay, okay, so what I'm going to do is I have to make some difference in the given this value. Okay, I'm making this one dark, eh? Not dark actually. Actually, I have to use, should have used different symbol so that I can mention which one is less than OGB and which one is more than OGB. Okay, so let's make it inside the rectangle. It look nice, so that you can give your symbol also, because like in pie chart we give the index, here we have to give symbol also, right, like this. Okay, so this represent less than OGB, and this rectangle represents more than OGB. And you have to, okay, here is the intersecting point between these two lines, and make one straight line. So in this way, what we can understand is our median lies between 20 to 30. Okay, so we can conclude median lies in 20 to 30, and then you can calculate your median using this formula. Okay, n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay, so lower limit is 20. N by 2 means that 47 by 2. Okay, so because this is our n value, and F is our 15. Okay, so F is our 15, and this range is 20 to 30 is 10. So you just need to calculate this, and you can get your median. Okay, so I'll show you also how to calculate. So 20, this is 10.5 by 15 into 10. So when you calculate all this, you will be getting, okay, 10.5 divided by 15 into 10 is 20 plus 7 is, so your median is 27. Okay, so you can see here the diagram also, is it really matching or not? 27. So you can see this is directly 27. Okay, yes, the answer is 27. Okay, this is the way how we make the